Yo, what's up everybody? It's your main man here, DJ Ron the Mechanic, back with another video. What's going on, y'all? Hey look, y'all already know, whenever you see me in the garage, you know some work about to go down. That's right. But this time, it's not on the cars. Nope, no car work today. Guess what? I'm hooking up my garage stereo system. That's right. Hey, I gotta have some music when I'm out here fixing on the cars, you know what I mean? I don't have a Bluetooth speaker to bring out here and hook my phone up and all that there. I ain't got time for all that there. So I got I call it my garage system, which is basically some home stereo components, extra ones that I have. I just put them out in the garage and hook them up. So that's what I'm doing today, y'all. And besides that, I got to show y'all the speakers that I have. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all might remember these speakers here. Yes. So, hey, look, without any further ado, before we go any further, look, make sure y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you won't miss out on a video. So, hey, look, let me go ahead and show y'all exactly what I'm working with. All right. Here we go, y'all. Y'all see these big bad boys right here? Yeah, I call those right there the King Kong of house speakers. Now, this right here was real popular when, you know, pretty much everybody house that you went to had the big tower speakers, pretty much, you know, for their stereo systems and all that there, you know, rocking the house, windows shaking and all that there. Hey, that's what we used to do back in the days. So look, I still have mine right here. And for those that don't know, I'm pretty sure you probably wonder what these are. Now some of y'all might. So these are the Cerwin Vegas, the DX-9s. That's right, I still have them. Look, y'all see the symbol down there. Zooming in a little bit. Y'all see that? The Cerwin Vega. That's right. I still got these bad boys. Whew. Oh, man, I can tell you. Back when I bought these right here, oh my gosh. Whew. Hey, look, all I can tell you, hey, look, a brother had to put in some work hours for these right here. Yes, sir. I had to put in some work hours, a lot of little OT and everything back then to get these bad boys. So, let me see. Just tell me if y'all remember Service Merchandise. If y'all remember that store there, I'm pretty sure a lot of the older folk do. You know, the grown folk. Y'all remember that store, Service Merchandise? Well, that tells you pretty much how long I've had these speakers right here. And I'm talking these bad boys. If I remember correctly, shoot, they ran me somewhere in the neighborhood about, with tax and everything, then like right at 1,600 for those back then. So I can just only imagine probably what they would go for now, you know. So like if they were just brought out, oh my gosh, they'd probably be with the inflation and everything. Sheesh, these things probably be almost maybe about $3,000 or something. You know, I'm just throwing a number out there. I'm not sure, but yeah, I've had these bad boys a long time, and the only thing that I had to do to them was I had to refoam the edges on them, which was pretty easy. You know, I did it myself. Other than that, the tweeters and mids never blew out or anything. So I'm gonna show y'all exactly what these bad boys look like here. You know, they done went through the test of time. Hey, look, still holding. Hear that cabinet? Hey, that's solid right there. Hey, look, like one guy, I never forget, he was a salesman at Service Merchandise. He told me, he said, hey, look, you got to remember, you get what you pay for. I'm like, hey, he ain't lying. These here lasted a lot of years, y'all, and still holding up. So let me pull it off. The old grill. Here we go. The old Cerwin Vegas, y'all. They still working. So you can kind of like tell the little flaws that I did, you know, when I first refoamed them. You can see where the little glue was and everything on there. But yep, big old 15. Still works pretty good. The repair kit, now when I bought it, it was like, I think I paid like 20 at that time. I think it was like $21 for it when I bought that. That was before everything went up now. So yeah, that was the only thing I had to do to them. The mid still work. Tweeter, y'all see that super tweeter? Let me show you the back. Now I will tell you now, these bad boys are heavy now. They are not light. So let's check out the back end back here. So y'all can see it. Here we go, the DX9s. The DX series. Now look. Now check out the power handling on this bad boy. Y'all see that, huh? 400 watts. Impedance, 4 ohms. Frequency response, 30 hertz all the way to 20,000 hertz. And look, you see why they never blow? See that, huh? Fuse protected, that's right. And that's the input right there when you hook your speaker wire up to. So yeah, I can definitely tell you, wasn't too many house speakers back then handling this type of wattage right here. That's right. And the sensitivity on these bad boys run somewhere, I think about, man, it's been a while. I think somewhere roughly about, 95, 96. I could be wrong now. I could be wrong. It's been a while since I looked at the specs on these bad boys. But I can tell you one thing, it don't take much power to run them. So yeah, y'all see it. Zoom back out. So yep. So I'm out here trying to hook everything up. So here's the main units right here. Y'all see I still have my old equalizer right there. This right here is old Tech EQA 10 graphic equalizer, 10 bands on each side. Y'all see that? And right here for the power, y'all see I got the Sony. I'm trying to see if I can get the model number for y'all, if y'all can see it that good. Hold on, let me see. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's the STR-D915. Yep. And this bad boy here, I'm telling you, she got some power to her. Yes, sir. And you should have the matching 5-disc changer. But this changer here, it has a USB input. So I can record, say like off the CD onto the USB if I wanted to. So yeah, that's pretty cool right there. There's not too many of those you'll find. Let's turn this bad boy around a little bit so y'all can see the back end of it. Okay, bear with me. Trying to get this straight. So there's the back end right there. But look, I'm gonna tell y'all what's so unique about this receiver here though. Check out that impedance selector right there. Y'all see that? Look at that. So it has a switch on here where I can switch from running 8 ohm speakers to 4 ohm speakers. Yes, that's right. So this bad boy here can run 4 ohm speakers with no problem. Run it all day long. Except for I think you can't run them in, let me see, yeah, with the surround sound off. Yeah, you can select right here, it says 4 ohm for higher speakers, 8 ohm for, of course, you know, 8 ohm speakers. But you can't use it with surround sound on. But yeah, this is the coolest feature I like about this right here. This impedance selector. That's on 8, but what I'm running, these Cerwin Vegas are 4 ohm. So yeah, got them switched to the 4 ohm. So that's pretty much it. And yes, this is a surround sound receiver, but you can tell this is the old school one here. There's the model right there. And y'all see all the inputs on it. So now these were definitely the early models, way before they came out with the receivers with the HDMI inputs and all that there. So, I mean, I don't use it for surround sound, no way. Hey, this is just my my music player. That's it. So that's pretty much it. And just the back of the CD player, you see you got the digital output on there, the analog. So that's pretty much it, y'all. I'll tell you one thing, I can't wait to put this together. I gotta find me some RCA cables. Cause for one, compared to my newer receivers on the inside of the house, which have the fiber optic output, you know, the digital output, but this one here, it doesn't have that. So yeah, that's kind of a little bummer on it, but hey, I'll deal with it. It's all good. So I'm just gonna try and get this put together. Y'all see I got my speaker wire right here. Of course, I only use the best for the house, pretty much. And this right here is the monster cable. Speaker wire right here. Now this is, let me see, where is it? Now this right here is the, what is that? The monster, what is that? I don't know if y'all can see it or not. This right here is the Monster XP speaker wire here. Now on my home theater system, now I have the THX certified speaker wire on those. So yeah, totally different. But yeah, that's what I'm working with today, y'all. Look, trying to get some music hooked up out here. That's right. So, look, I'm gonna go ahead and try and dig through some boxes. Like I said, I gotta find me some RCA cables to hook all that up. And of course, I'm gonna splice my wire, cut it up, hook it up to the speakers. Hey, look, and I'm gonna be ready to roll with it. And look, just to give y'all an indication, look, I'm gonna show y'all how tall these speakers are. Just in case of y'all wondering. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put the tape measure on this bad boy. See what we're working with here. Wow. Straight on the floor. These speakers are almost they're right at 3 feet tall. Y'all hear me? They're right at 3 feet tall, just about. They're actually, let me see, I'm showing, make sure that's right. I'm looking at 35.5 inches. Close to 30, it's close to 3 feet. Go back to them, yep. 35.5 inches tall, y'all. Close to 3 feet tall. Damn, some big speakers. And you see that dolly over there? That's how I got these bad boys in here. That's right. So, yep. Look, let me go ahead and go on this scavenger hunt to find these wires and everything. Then once I finally get everything hooked up, I would definitely play it for y'all and let y'all get a sound test. All right, fam. As you can see, we got it all hooked up. You see it's all lit. Y'all see that there? Look, got my USB in. Of course, you know, that's the YouTube approved music that I can play. So yeah. I don't know about y'all, but look, let's go ahead and crank this thing up and let y'all see how it sounds. So let's pick a track. Hey, tell me what y'all think, man. Hey, old as these set of speakers is, man, look, these bad boys still sound good. Yes, sir. Still sounding good. Let me see if I can find me another little track. Look, let's try a little jazz track to see how it sound musical-wise. Tell me what y'all think about that. With some jazz, man. Dang, that sounded pretty good to me. Yes, sir. Them Cerwin Vega DX-9s, man. Let's go with another track. Let's see what we can find right quick. Let's do some ice and fire. Let's see what we got here. Let you hear how it sounds. Sir, liking it. Y'all see it? That's Sony, man. Let's try another track right quick. Give me another one. Let's see. I think that's the one I played in my car before. I'm on one with some nice little tick in it. Let's go to the next one. Yeah, this is the one I like to test it with right here. Man, oh man. Hey, once again, tell me what y'all think, man. Hey, them old Cerwin Vegas old school for the win. The DX-9s, man. Hey, them bad boys still sounding good. Oh my gosh. Sound just as good as my car. Yes, sir. Hey, look. That right there is proven that quality lasts. See, when you build something that's quality like this right here, still going, and sounding good. Oh my gosh. Go ahead and put my little grills back on. Yes. Put them on right quick. And another thing I can tell y'all also, now some out there may think wire is wire. No, sir. Just do this for me. Take some regular little, whatever little zip cord speaker wire that you have, whatever around the house, or whatever came with your system, that little thin wire. Listen to your music on that. All right. Then what I need you to do next after that, take that cable off, take those speaker cables off. Put you some of that monster cable on there. That's right, get you some monster cable. Now, you got plenty of choices to go with. But this one right here is the let me see if y'all could see it that good. Hold on, let me see if I can spread it out. Show y'all what type of wire I use on my systems. I don't know if y'all can see it that good. But you see that right there? That's the monster cable. This right here is the monster standard THX speaker cable. This is what I use on my systems. That's right. I don't use that little skinny little whatever gauge wire. No, I do not use that. Hey, you have good equipment, go ahead and put good wire on it. Take it from me. This right here is what I have. Yes, that monster cable. THX certified cable there, buddy. Even on RCA cables, I'm gonna tell y'all now too. All RCA cables are not equal. Just to give you a good example. Look, I have a whole drawers. Look. These are the plain Jane cables right here. Right? to you, if it's hooked up to your CD player or whatever that you have, you might think, oh yeah, this sounds good. No, unplug them, put them in a drawer or something. Go ahead and let me see. Let me show y'all the ones that I have back there. Hey, this is the last set that I have right here. Monster cable. Telling y'all, go with the monster cable, y'all. And these here, now these are some good cables here too. These are acoustic research cables right here. Yes, pretty good also. They even have a little lining on the outside of the coating which tell you which way to pretty much connect it, you know, let the signal flow. But yes, you want good sound, I'm telling you, go with good cables. Do not go with that little generic type cable stuff. It's not gonna work. You just wasting your time. You won't be able to enjoy your music. Look, y'all hear how mine sound? Good equipment. Why not put good cables on there? That's the same way with your car audio. Don't run no generic cables. Put you some good cables on your system. Good speaker wire. Man, then you would notice how it sounds. That's the key right there, y'all. I'm telling you. That's right. So, hey, that's pretty much it. That right there. That's my my garage system. So when I want to chill in the garage or whatever, hey, play a little music. This me right here. And of course, you know, still old school, still got the EQ, and it still works. All that. Ain't nothing wrong with my equipment at all, buddy. None of it. Old school for the win. Well, of course, you know, that's newer technology right there. Playing USB. Yep. So that's it, y'all. So this is something that I wanted to share with y'all, you know, kick a little knowledge out. So, hey, that way you know, hey, matter of fact, this applies to your surround sound system. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all have surround sound systems. Come on. Get rid of that little cheap cable that come with it. Get rid of, matter of fact, throw it in the trash. Get rid of it. Put you some good quality cables on your systems. And watch. Just pretty much just listen to the difference. And you'll see what I'm talking about. That's right. So, hey, look, this DJ Ron the Mechanic here. Hey, what can I say, y'all? Hey, we making strides in the house. But that right there, hey, I had to get that straight there, you know. Hey, ain't nothing like having your music, you know what I mean? Especially like when I'm working on cars and all that there. So look, hey, I appreciate y'all taking the time out to check out the video. And hey, take notes now. What I say about that system. Good cable, good sound. That's right. All wire is not equal. Nope. So don't even try it. Get you some good quality cable. Take it from me. I've been doing this a long time. And I've done my own tests on wires and everything. So yeah. So look, I am happy with it. I like the way it came out, you know. Of course, now I wouldn't mind. Well, I still got more work to do, but I wouldn't mind doing it, you know, like the old school way, like spread them out a little bit further, you know. But until now, hey, look, that's cool right there where it's at. So I'm happy with it, like the way it sounds and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me, y'all. So look, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to share me out and turn on that notification bell. So that way you won't miss out. So look, hey, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video. And I ain't forgot, hey, I still owe y'all a video on this bad boy here with all the lights. Ooh, yes, that's right. So hey, I'm gonna check y'all on the next one. Turn that notification bell on, y'all. Hey, we are out of here. I'm finna go jam some more. Later.